We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
One of just 2 Hakka theater groups left in the Hsinchu area, Dragon Phoenix Garden Opera Troupe, Longfengyuan Gejutuan, is actively helping to preserve Hakka opera by taking it to schools in the area. Founded in October 1978 by Li Yongqian at the age of 27 with funds of only 10,000 NT, the troupe has weathered the years by adapting scripts, improving stage and lighting effects, and training actors to create Dragon Phoenix Garden's unique dramatic tension. In 1984, the troupe toured local schools and recognizing the urgent need to preserve and pass down traditional plays, the group began holding master classes and seminars in 1995. While only just making ends meet, in spite of frequent performances and renewed interest in Hakka opera, Li hopes that one day his troupe will receive funding from local government like Yilan's Lanyang Theater, Lanyang Jutuan. He says his ambition is for Hsinchu to be known throughout Taiwan and the world for its Hakka opera, as well as its famed high-tech industry. Hi everyone, this is our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Peng.
Alice, you taught me before, how to say the 4 seasons, 春夏秋冬嘛.
春夏秋冬.
Exactly. I was going to say it myself. 春夏秋冬.
很強哦.
But, now I want to use these seasons in a different way. Like we say, it's summertime, it's springtime. 在国语的话就讲春天啊, 秋天啊, 冬天. 教教看说春天, 秋天, 夏天, 冬天, 这到底怎么说?
OK. 春天.
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 春天. So it's easy. So
那好，换我考你。那夏天。
It is 夏天, right?
No.
Okay.
热天。
热天.
因为夏天很热，所以这个时候要讲
Are you
热
serious?
天。
Oh, so if it's a summer day, you would think it's 夏天, but it's not. It's 热天.
爱捏人。
And 热 is actually 热 in Chinese, which it means hot. 秋天.
秋天。
就是秋天.
OK.
冬天.
冬天来吧。
我知道了，一定不是冬天呢。
想看看，试看看。
就很冷嘛。冷天。
冷天
不是吗？No。
寒天。
寒呐。比较文雅一点。冷只是说好冷，寒天这样的。寒天。And that's our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
是我泰嘎。
俺子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.